Hello, everyone. This is Jeffrey. I'm the CEO of Chandler Legacy, and today I'm going to be showing you exactly what me and my team do to help our clients rank higher on Google. The first thing we're going to do is work on their on-page SEO. And what on-page SEO is essentially the process of taking someone's website information and telling Google exactly what we want to rank for. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do is look at a customer that I just onboarded here recently. And I want to take a look at his website and kind of show you how good it looks. It looks great, but this is not the reason you're here. I'm going to show you exactly what we do to help him optimize. Okay, so we use a tool called SEO Scan, and this gives us a gap report per se of where they're at so we can see what we need to do in order to help the website rank higher. So we're going to put his website URL right in there. And this is going to tell us what his title tag is, his meta description, and his H1 tags. Okay, I want to start at the H1s. Your H1 tags are basically going to be the things that you have headline on your site, like professional plumbing. See that there, okay? And he also has another one. If you go over here, honest, clean, and trustworthy. So he has these four. So this is what he's telling Google his site's about. And this is the most important part of that. It's going to be your title tag. Let's see how powerful this title tag is, okay? We're going to copy this and save it for later. So this is a company out of Beaufort, Georgia, near where I live. We're going to look up plumber in Beaufort. Soggy Plumbing, Drip Drop, Charles Plumbing. Don't see him here on the first page at all, okay? Second page. Unfortunately, still don't see him there. We don't see a plum tech anywhere. All right, so let's go ahead and paste his title tag here in the search bar and see what we get. Well, what do you know? We have plumtechgeorgia.com, his exact URL. So this is how powerful a title tag is to Google, because you're telling Google exactly what your website is about with your title tag. And a lot of people do not know this, which is why professionals like ourselves are here to help them achieve the results they want by leveraging Google's platform in order to get them more business and help their website be viewed online and help their visibility and overall help their online reputation grow. We're going to do the same thing with another client we just onboarded, Jones Tree Service. We're going to take and paste his in here as well. We're going to take a look. His title tag is here, Jones Tree Service. He also has a meta description here, which is really, really good. And he also has too many H1 tags, okay? This is confusing Google. When you confuse Google, they derank you. They drop you to the very bottom because you're not a trustworthy site. And Google has an interest of helping the end user get exactly what they search for, okay? So if you're telling Google this is what your site's about, Jones Tree Service, then when you search Jones Tree Service, once again, you're going to see he ranks on the top. Now, he's a tree service company in Flowery Branch. So if we search here, Tree Service, Flowery Branch, Georgia, once again, you'll see that he's not ranking. And also, if you see here, with the Google My Businesses or the GMBs, whatever you want to call them, once again, he is not here. And users are not going to scroll this far, guys. They are not going to scroll this far to find your company. So if you're not here in these top 3 to 5, then most likely you're not going to get seen. That's exactly what we do first thing before we start anything else for our customers. Is we want to make sure that their on-site SEO is optimized so that when we go to do the citations and the backlinks and everything else that's included in a total SEO package, that they have a really good foundation. So if you're a company that wants to learn how I can take your site and rank it on Google, just schedule your free meeting, or you can input your information into the form and get your own full done SEO report, and you can see where you can improve your rankings with Google as well. Until next time.